You're late.
The shipping order was put in late last night. I got here as soon as I could.
This isn't right.
It's what you ordered, dude. Listen, I just drive the truck. You have a great day.
Come on, Rob, it's not that bad.
I haven't seen one of these in years.
It's all they had. You know, we got to ship in 2 days.
It doesn't have a guard.
Yeah, I know. But we really don't have a choice. Can you make it work?
Yeah. Yeah, I can make it work.
Thanks, Rob. Just get this job done. I promise you we'll fix it. I owe you one.
Yeah, you do. Wanker.
Hi, Lisa. It's Josh.
Hi, Josh. How are you?
I'm good. Is my dad available?
He's out on the floor. I'll get him.
Yeah, I can make it. It doesn't have a guard. It doesn't have a guard.
But we really don't have a choice. We really don't have a choice.
Safety first.
Oh my God! Call 911 now!
Every year, hundreds of workers are maimed and killed using unguarded machines. Never work without a guard.